Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another behind the scenes vlog, since that's like all I can film at the moment. You guys blew me away in the anniversary sale, so I'm still working on orders, but I am hoping to finish all of them today, and then tomorrow and Friday hopefully I can start working on getting my course done. And that's what we were doing today. That's pretty much gonna be the main point of this video. I am sorry, you guys, that I'm so behind and that I'm not like mixing it up. But hopefully I can get back on track and get everything. I was on such a good roll and then I got behind, and once you get behind, it's like so hard to catch up. So, yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm gonna get all these orders done and then we are gonna get everything else we need to done.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.
Okay, you guys, today has been a day. So, my blades for two of my machines are starting to dull out. So I quickly had to go to Michael's. Our Michael's here is only open from 11 to 6, which is not the greatest hours, like if you work during the day. So we quickly like took a lunch break and we went to Michael's to get more blades. But I feel like I am just working on like snail's pace today. I'm trying to get orders done. I actually had 2 more orders come in today, which is awesome. I'm so excited about it, but I'm just like, I gotta get all these orders done. Like, they're not even close to the processing time. I'm pretty sure I said 2 to 3 weeks, and it's not even been a week. But that is just like how I feel like when I have somebody's orders. I want to get your product to you like as soon as I can. The sale started on Friday, but I didn't start working on stuff until Monday because I was out of town. So I'm like, oh, I feel like I'm behind even though I'm not. It's just insane. It's insane. So anyway, I went and got some more blades. They only had 3, which is totally fine because one of my machines I don't use that often anyway, so I think it'll be fine. So I'm gonna switch out the blades and I'm gonna get started cutting stuff again.
You are the one that I will call when I'm drunk. You are the one that I just need to feel loving. You saved me from the broken house that I built. You took me in with open arms, and I still want you back, want you back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, cause I've got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. It's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep without you, and every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my soul? Can't you mend my heart? Can't you mend my heart? I want you back, want you back. Yeah, I want you back, want you back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love and 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, cause I've got you stuck in my memory.
have amazing news. Orders are done. I'm gonna show you guys. It's a pretty big stack. So there you go. All the open orders go into the post office. I'm so happy that that's done. So I think because I didn't do a whole lot in this vlog, I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow and show what I'm doing tomorrow. This was just a get orders done day. And I'm happy to say we are at 0 open orders. Anyway, it is currently 7. So I'm going to stop for the day and I will pick back up tomorrow. So in the next clip, it'll be the next day and you guys get the picture, but I'm gonna go relax and chill because I've literally been working all day. So, okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Happy part 2 of this vlog, day 2 of this vlog. It is raining. I don't know if you probably can't tell. It's like pouring rain, and it has been for the past 3 to 4 days. I think tomorrow we're finally getting a break from it, but today it's supposed to be really bad thunderstorms. So I don't know if I should even bother turning on my computer and trying to work on stuff because I can't do any of the voiceovers for like the course videos. I could like screen record the course videos, but if I'm in the middle of that and you know the power decides to go out, I'm gonna be annoyed. So I don't know, I kind of just feel like taking today and organizing my office. I want to rearrange. I want to rearrange so bad. So I think that I might do that because I can finally unplug all of my machines without worrying about it because I got all the orders done. So it's like perfect timing because I don't have any open orders right now. So I can move all the machines and then set them all back up and whatnot. And yeah, I kind of feel like that's just what I'm going to do today. So what I'm thinking about doing is obviously cleaning because what happened here, but taking this curved table and moving it and putting it here to like curve out this way, and then having my computer there, still have my silhouettes here but like on the curved thing, and then having like this extra part of the curved table be like where I load stuff on mats, because right now I bring everything over here, so I'm like constantly like walking across, which is fine, but I just think like that would be like a fun setup. But then also I could have my filming setup. I could like put the camera over here and have like my machines be my background, but like better than that, you know, because right now James is working from home until I don't even know how long. North Carolina is opening back up, so it might only be for a couple more weeks, but still I just thought this would be a nice change because I'm kind of tired of just the same setup. So I would do that and then move that table and maybe put it like right there if it fits. I don't know. I think when I measured it, I think this is the same length as this, even though it doesn't really look it, but when I measured it was coming out the same. So we'll see. But yeah, then just having that there, and then there just kind of be this space here, and I don't know, maybe taking this table out, and then if I have that table set up there, then I could put my lights there and have that be my filming area and just forget the natural light. I don't know. Like I said, we're gonna see. I have a lot of cleanup to do and just a lot of organizing, so it should be a super satisfying video. In all honesty, I have no idea where to get started, and I feel like this is like, here we go. I have like no idea. I think I'm just gonna take those apart and move the table first, and then move this table over there. I don't know. There's like, I really need to like clean and organize my office, but at the same time I just want to get to like the moving stuff around. So all right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn my computer off and I'm gonna turn all my machines off, which they're already off, but unplug everything and get started. you guys, a little update. Here's what I've gotten done so far. I've moved that table back and I just started stacking stuff on there. I'm gonna go through and organize it. But right now I'm gonna wipe down this table and I'm gonna put my machines back on here because that'll get some stuff out of the way and get it all taken care of. So I'm excited to get it all done and taken care of and out of the way. But yeah, it's such a disaster. Oh, it's such a disaster. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna wipe down the table and we're gonna get it done. Okay, you guys, here's the progress so far. I'm loving it. I'm trying to clean off the printer tower, as I like to call it, and get that where it needs to be. I don't even know. What am I doing? And then almost done with that. I'm trying to go through this little area. And then this, I'm gonna sell these printers. Well, not this one. This is my old one. Well, I mean, they're all mine, but this was my one that I was using, my tried and true, worked for me for 5 years. And I think James actually got it fixed to where it can print. I haven't tested it out yet because I just haven't had the time. So I think that I may, why is it not wanting to focus? I think that I may keep that one and use it for stuff as well because it gives about the same print quality as that one. So do you like how I just have stuff piled on it? But then the other two I'm gonna sell because I'm not using them. But yeah, gotta clean up the printer tower. I'm gonna clean that. And then once we sell the printers, I'm gonna ship the Canon Pro 100 in its original box because I have it. And then that won't be there, which is awesome. I think I'm gonna buy another thing from IKEA, like a little cubby, and like put it under there. So that's like my next project. That's what it's looking like. I do have to clean off this little area, but everything's coming together. Okay, you guys, here's what the office is looking like. It's pretty much done. I just need to vacuum. This box I'm just gonna like kind of push up against the corner. I have a ton of ink. Why is my camera not wanting to focus today? Sorry, guys. I have a bunch of old ink that I need to recycle, and I have a bag back there that has more ink to recycle. So that's what's going on with that. Then the rest of that stuff can actually go in the closet. I still need to go through here. That's just a mess. And I need to kind of tidy up there, but everything else is pretty much in its place. This stuff kind of sits there because it's like all of my planners and whatnot. And these are some of my stickers for filming Plan With Me's. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done as far as rearranging. I really like it. It just feels so much better and it's so much more functional because I can really just use this area for my stickers, filming. And then if I decide to get back into foiling, this is a big if, then I could use that station there for that. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with that table yet, but we will figure it out. And then I've pretty much cleaned this area up as well. But like I said, I want to move that printer to be under here. So yeah, all right, now it's time to plug everything back up. I'm not looking forward to that, but we have orders, we've got to get to work. Classic Rachel, I forgot to end the video yesterday. So here I am ending it. Also, please don't mind that little piece of hair. Go down. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as that bell notification. That way you never miss a video from me or my crazy hair. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.